Alright, let's get started. On this Find page, it is possible to search for service providers even without being logged in. After finding a service provider, it is also possible to view the service provider's contact details. These contact details can then be used to arrange a booking. Therefore, it is possible to use the platform even without an account. However, for this example, we are quickly going to create an account. Creating an account will allow us to make convenient online bookings and to submit reviews. Additionally, having an account just generally makes everything run more smoothly. A new email address and password have been filled in. To create an account, we then simply click Create Account. However, the email address does need to be verified. After creating an account, the account can also easily be deleted in the settings. The settings page can also be used to log out. This time, because we already have an account, we just click Login instead of Create Account. Now, let's search for a service provider. I am going to look for a freelance software developer. Next, I am going to specify the location. As part of the location, the search radius sets the maximum distance that a service provider can be from the given location. So, in this case, search results would be limited to service providers who are less than 25 kilometers from where the pin was dropped. As we can see here, we have found one service provider, and this service provider is 3.34 kilometers from where the pin was dropped on the map. There are quite a few things on this profile page, including the location button, the contact button, and the charts. However, for now we are just going to make a booking. So to make a booking, just enter the required information and then click Submit. After a booking is made, the system opens the Bookings page. The Bookings page is where upcoming and past bookings can be viewed. Among other things, this is also where reviews can be submitted. Reviews can, however, only be made after a bill has been set for a booking. Now, that's it for clients. It is, however, of course, also possible to register as a service provider. To register as a service provider, we can go to the profile page under the For Providers section. To register, click the word here. So there is some stuff to fill in here, but most of these fields can actually be left blank. These details can later be edited on the profile page. The only thing that can't be edited later is the currency field, so just make sure that the currency symbol shown is correct. Back on the profile page, services offered can be specified along with the given occupation and any specialities that might apply. Further down, the profile details can be edited. These profile details are the same profile details that were on the register page, with the only exception being that the currency cannot be edited here. Finally, the Manage page can be used to view upcoming bookings, to view past bookings, and to perform various actions such as cancelling, blocking, rescheduling, or setting bills for bookings. One thing to note is that while bills can be set here, you as the service provider will still have to send the client your payment details. This platform can only notify the client of the amount due. If anything is unclear, please contact info@serviceswebapp.com and we can help explain some stuff. Also, if you are a new service provider, in the beginning it may be tough to get bookings on this platform if your account doesn't have any reviews. However, you can always get your first customers the old-fashioned way through word of mouth or direct communication. Then see if you can get a few of these customers to submit a review on the platform to help establish your profile. Having your clients use the platform to make bookings and submit reviews can be a benefit not just for you but also for your clients. This is because clients may prefer the convenience of online bookings instead of having to make phone calls. Additionally, clients can save your profile to more easily find it later for future bookings. A profile can be saved by clicking the star icon on the profile page.